Today we are discussing the interview questions and answers for CompTIA A Plus Core 2. You can download the complete list of CompTIA based questions from the link provided in the description. Our interview question based on CompTIA A Plus Core 2 is: how do you troubleshoot a computer that is experiencing intermittent email synchronization issues with a Microsoft Exchange server? Your answer should be: to troubleshoot intermittent email synchronization issues with a Microsoft Exchange server. I would first check the email account settings in the email client to ensure they are configured correctly, including server settings such as incoming and outgoing mail server addresses, authentication methods, and encryption settings. I would then verify the network connectivity to the Microsoft Exchange server and check for any firewall or security software that may be blocking the email traffic. Additionally, I would consider rebuilding the mail profile, updating the email client software, or contacting the email service provider for further assistance. Our next interview question is: can you explain the purpose of a disaster recovery plan in IT management and how it helps organizations recover from unforeseen disasters? Your answer should be: a disaster recovery plan is a set of policies, procedures, and processes designed to minimize the impact of unforeseen disasters on an organization's IT infrastructure and operations, ensuring business continuity and data recovery in the event of a disaster. It helps organizations recover from disasters by defining roles and responsibilities, establishing backup and recovery strategies, and outlining steps to restore critical systems and data in a timely manner, minimizing downtime and ensuring operational resilience. A disaster recovery plan typically includes provisions for data backup and storage, system redundancy and failover, off-site data replication, and testing and validation procedures to ensure the effectiveness of the recovery process. Our next interview question is: how do you troubleshoot a computer that is experiencing intermittent USB device connectivity issues? Your answer should be: to troubleshoot intermittent USB device connectivity issues, I would first check the physical USB ports and connectors on the computer and the USB device to ensure they are not damaged or obstructed. I would then verify the USB device drivers in Device Manager and update them to the latest version if necessary. Additionally, I would check the USB power settings in the operating system to ensure they are configured correctly, as insufficient power supply to the USB ports can cause connectivity issues. If the issue persists, I would consider testing the USB device on a different computer or using a different USB port or cable to isolate the problem. Our next interview question is: can you explain the purpose of a disk partitioning in operating systems and how it helps manage storage space and data organization? Your answer should be: disk partitioning is the process of dividing a physical disk drive into multiple logical partitions, each treated as a separate storage volume by the operating system. It helps manage storage space and data organization by allowing users to allocate specific portions of the disk for different purposes, such as separating system files from user data, creating multiple bootable partitions, or isolating sensitive data in separate partitions for security purposes. If you are preparing for any CompTIA based certifications, you can download the complete list of valid, tried and tested questions and answers from the link provided in the description below.